Hello children, let's learn some colors. Royal blue color, pink color, sky blue color, yellow color, black color, red color. Let's draw some shapes. Black color, square, square, circle, circle, triangle, triangle, star, star, heart, heart, pentagon, pentagon, black color, square, sky blue color, circle, pink color, triangle, red color, star, yellow color, heart, blue color, pentagon, black color, square, sky blue color, circle, pink color, triangle, red color, star, yellow color, heart, blue color, pentagon. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.